Hello everyone, Connected Textures here. This is the first in a series explaining my redstone calculator. So what will be in these videos? Well, we'll start with a button inputs and number shift, then how we display the input and decode the input. Then next up is the actual math, and the last video is about displaying the answer plus all the bells and whistles during calculation. This video is meant as an introduction to the series, as well as cover some basic ideas that you need to know in order to understand the rest of the series. So, this video itself will be covering memory, RS Nor Latches, logic gates, and repeater block power gaps. First up on the list is RS Nor Latches. Now, I'm not going to show you just yet how they're used over here, but I will show you what I'm talking about, what they look like. So if I build up an RS Nor Latch here, so if we label this as input and this as reset, you'll see what I mean by memory. I can turn it on, and it holds the value after the button's been unpressed. And I can keep pressing it, and it doesn't matter. If I come over here to the reset button, that turns off the lamp. And again, pressing it over and over does not change the state. So that's what I mean by memory, and this entire configuration here is called an RS NOR latch. Alright, logic gates. This one's a bit of a toughie, but let's go through it anyway. A logic gate will take any number of inputs, compare them together, and give you an output. The most common logic gate is a NOR gate. That's simply inverting the signal. So when this is off, here I'll put this here, when this is off, that's on. When this is on, that's off. And that's called inversion. That's inverting the signal. The next common logic gate would be the AND gate. What that means is both this lever and this lever need to be on for this output to be on. And they're usually built up like this. Both this lever and this lever need to be on for that output to be on. If any of them are off, then the output's off. And last up for this quick video is repeater block power gaps, which is a term that I've just made up for this video. But it's simply being able to take a line that is already having power and determine if the rest of the line should receive that power. And we can do this by putting a block in front of a repeater here. Now you can see if I put a lamp down here that the line is off, despite this being on. If I put this in the way, now it's on again. This could also be considered an AND gate because both this and this need to be on for that redstone lamp to be on, but this isn't a common AND gate. It's mainly used for if I want to have an input to stay on, like after I've pressed a button and I've set that number to memory, but I don't actually want it to be going to the rest of the system yet. For instance, the plus sign or the equal sign would put a block in the way to allow the power to go through. Alright, so this was just a rather short video going over the basics of what you need to know for what the rest of the series will entail. I've been Connected Textures. Thanks for watching.